Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. I hope y'all are having a great day and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Today I'm going to change things up a little bit with a video of what's new at the Dollar Tree, of items coming from the Dollar Tree for Easter that are brand new this year. Hopefully you'll be able to find them near you. I hope I find them near me. My wish list seems to keep growing. For every item I find, I seem to add like 5 or 6 more. Is anybody else like that? You find an item and then you're like, oh wait, hold on, I need like these other 7 items. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Comment down below and let me know what items you're looking for on your wish list, whether they're Easter or everyday items. I know there's some really cool lip balms floating around and chapstick items that I'm looking for. I would love to find. As always, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining my family. Next week we'll be back to our regular scheduled programming of some Easter and spring crafting that I will start doing. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.